Welcome to your annual productivity audit. This is the perfect time to reflect on the past year and see how well you managed your time, tasks, and goals. Let's dive into the key steps to review your year and boost your productivity for the next one. First, gather your tools. Collect your planners, calendars, to-do lists, notes, or any apps you use to track your work and goals. Having everything in one place helps you get a clear picture. Step 1 is to review your goals. Look back at the goals you set at the beginning of the year. Ask yourself, did I achieve them? Which goals did I complete and which ones did I miss? Understanding this helps you learn what worked and what didn't. Next, analyze your successes. Write down the wins, big or small. Celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress motivates you to keep moving forward. Then, look at the challenges. Identify the obstacles that slowed you down. Were there distractions, lack of focus, or unexpected events? Being honest about what held you back is important to improve. Step 3 is to examine your time use. Review how you spent your time daily and weekly. Did you spend most of your time on important tasks, or were you caught up in less productive activities? Tracking your time helps you see where changes are needed. Step 4 is to reflect on your habits and routines. Think about your daily habits. Which ones helped your productivity and which ones harmed it? Good habits support your goals, while bad habits create obstacles. Next, plan your adjustments. Based on what you've learned, decide what changes to make. This could mean setting clearer goals, improving your focus, or creating new routines. Finally, set your priorities for the coming year. Choose a few key goals to focus on. Having clear priorities helps you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the annual productivity audit is not about judging yourself, but about learning and growing. Take this opportunity to celebrate progress and prepare for an even more productive year ahead.